Ayun.
May museum siya na parang
Naalala ko tuloy yun, yung 311.
The earthquake in Kōbe on January 17, 1995 left 6,425 dead, injured 25,000, displaced 300,000 people, damaged or destroyed 100,000 buildings, and caused at least $132 billion worth of damage of Japan's national income, making it one of the most expensive natural disasters in history. More than 35,000 people were pulled from collapsed buildings by neighbors or rescue workers. Japanese refer to the D.
In March 1997, after completing its reconstruction and overcoming the earthquake disaster, the port of Kōbe recovered to become a new disaster-resistant 21st century port and continues to be one of the world's leading container.
Beginning at 5:46 a.m., the trembler lasted for 20 seconds, registered 6.9 on the Richter scale, and packed a wallop of 240 kilotons of TNT. Over 50,000 buildings were destroyed or badly damaged, and 300,000 people were left homeless. A major freeway collapsed, streets were uplifted, and railroad tracks buckled and twisted. Fire raged on and off for 2 days, and gas and water mains were ruptured.
Port of Kōbe Earthquake Memorial Park. Damage to the port of Kōbe. Ayan o. Ayan yun. Ayan, yan. Eto yan. Tingnan nyo. Tumabingin siya talaga. Ayan. Iniwan nila, no?
The earthquake was the worst in Japan since the Great Tokyo earthquake in 1923, when an earthquake measure 7.9 on the Richter scale killed 140,000 people, and the greatest disaster in Japan since World War II. It was caused by a strike-slip jolt, sudden lateral movement of one rock mass against another, on the Nohima Fault, which up until then was not considered a dangerous fault. The epicenter of the earthquake was 40 miles away from Kōbe in the Akashi Strait between Awaji Island and Hanshin. During the quake, the sides of the fault shifted 6 to 10 feet in opposite directions. The surface along the fault moved 5 feet in one place. This movement could be seen in a rice field on Awaji Island. There were several reasons why the earthquake was so devastating. First of all, the earthquake was very shallow, which means it is more likely to cause extensive damage. Second, Kōbe lies in an area that many Japanese thought was unlikely to be hit by a major earthquake, and thus residents there were not prepared for a major quake. Kōbe is considered one of the nicest cities in Japan, and ironically some people even move there to escape earthquakes. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something about the 1995 Great Hanshin earthquake.